Your Wake Up Women series. I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and today, yet again, we have another special woman coming in. She is Ruchi Goyal, a 43-year-old counselor in Pune. She was born and brought up in a small town. She saw her parents counting money, which means never was money hidden from her view. She always felt secure. Got married to a hardworking guy, like she describes him, and then something happened. And that something led her to being insecure because of the lack of financial skills. And she came to Women on Wealth and built them. Let's hear straight from Ruchi her story and what got her to take charge of her finances. So Ruchi, are you around? Hey Sindhuri, good evening. Thank you so much for joining in and acknowledging that you are here. It makes a difference. You made a difference just by doing that. Know that. Everybody who's around, do acknowledge that you are here. Yes, Mukta. Yes, you're excited to hear Ruchi. Got it. Let's bring Ruchi in. Ruchi, are you around? If you are, do send in the request to join. I'm also searching for you meanwhile. Okay, and Ruchi, in case you're trying to join from your laptop, know that it ain't going to work that way. You'll have to join from your... Hey Jonita, Mystic Mind Muse, Shruti, everybody, welcome. Hi Seema, good to have you. I love having many old community members. Yes, Ruchi, I'm waiting for you. Ruchi is saying she's here. Ritika, Samprita, hi. Warm welcome, guys. Awesome. I'm waiting for everybody. Everybody to get started, get going. Yeah. Hi, Suma. Welcome. I love the fun, yeah, that we create together. Hi Dhara, hey Rokya, welcome. I'm hoping Ruchi manages to join now. We have exchanged 2 requests till now. Let's see. Well, this is the online world. Otherwise, she would have, had this been the physical space, she would have walked in by now, right? Hey, everybody. Ruchi, in case you're finding it difficult, just let me know, so that we can support you. Okay, let me try to send you another one. Okay, let's see, guys. Yes, Ruchi, I am accepting your request.
Hi, Priyanka.
Yes. Hi, finally we made it.
Yes.
We made it happen. Yes, thank you so much for joining. What an absolute delight it is to have you, Ruchi. Thank you.
It's such a privilege to be here and talking.
Thank you. Please share a bit about yourself. And I must tell you that I'm really touched with the email that you wrote exactly from your heart. And today, yes, let's share it all. So please go ahead first. Share about yourself with everybody.
So right now I'm a counselor. I freelance. I'm not associated with anybody. Mother of 2, married for 18 years. Why I decided, do you want me to go ahead with why I decided to join?
No, first about your parents, how you grew up seeing your parents count money. Please let people know that.
So, you know, I come from a very small town. My father was a successful businessman, farmer. My parents' background is actually, my father's background is a agricultural family, got into business, multiple kinds of business. Money was never a scarcity. You know, when you live in a small town and your parents are famous, especially your father, it's not difficult.
Yeah.
I had a very comfortable life. I have seen my parents counting money like I had written to you. And that doesn't mean like he was taking the bribe or anything. But what I meant to say was, means I have always seen money. Money was never hidden from us. So
Right.
I never grew up feeling the lack of money. Money was not an issue. And, more than money in a small town, it's the reputation, it's how well people know you. Things just
Right.
come onto your platter without even you asking for it. So
Right.
that was the childhood that I lived. Never had to ask for anything. Before even I asked for anything, things were there for both me and my brother. So never knew hardship, never knew scarcity, nothing. Um, Grew up, studied. Um, my family was a conservative family, so uh, a girl was not allowed to marry. A girl was a girl was not allowed to work. So I was
Got
not allowed to work after I finished my education. In fact, I did my postgrad for 3 years, and I wanted to work. And my father told me, no, you get married and you work with your husband, whatever it is. Um, got married, never got a chance. Not, I wouldn't say got a chance, never needed to work. Again, I was in the lap of luxury, had a man to take care of me, didn't feel like
Wow.
working,
I
never worked.
loved what you just created. There was a man to take care of me. Like that is something which just keeps us women stuck in that comfort zone. Like really.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm loving what you're creating. Go ahead.
Yeah. So earlier it was my father who was taking care of, then it was my husband who was taking care of. So never needed to really work, never thought needed too much money. I mean, it was coming, whatever I needed, it was coming.
Right.
Really, there was no need to even
Yeah.
think,
Yeah.
किधर से आना है, क्या
I
करना
mean,
है.
Ruchi, it is amazing. Our horizon just becomes too compact, and just because we're receiving that little bit and हमारा खर्चा चल रहा है, I think that is what our life just becomes. Like we forget to fly. We just let our own selves cut our own wings. Like really like that. Please
Yeah.
go ahead.
And,
Yeah.
because I'd not seen any women working in my family, so it was not a big deal to not work.
Right.
It was okay. I mean, a man was to earn and a woman was to take care of the house and children. And I completely fit in that
Right.
scenario. I enjoyed it. There was
Right.
nothing to worry about.
Right.
So it was all okay. And then after 15, 16 years of being married, things went downhill. Me and my
Right.
husband, it didn't work out. We
Right.
decided to take a break after 18 years. And
Wow.
suddenly it hit me very strong that, um, at 43, when you're wanting to start a life afresh, thought my parents are 70. I mean, the first thought was how much longer are they going to live? And
Right.
okay, 10 years. And after that, what? What if I don't have a man in my life again? Who's going to take care of me? And it was like a jolt. And it shook me very hard. And it was like, I need to start somewhere. I need to
Right.
start figuring out how to take care of my own self. And,
Right.
so this thought of I need to manage my own finances was going on for the last 2 years, but nothing was coming. I don't know, it was not the right time. And then one day a friend forwarded me this Women on Wealth thing, and I was like, oh my God, I was waiting for it. And I did not take another minute to decide that I had to join. And so I joined. Um, and, Priyanka, even today, I know that when my parents are not going to be there, my life will be very easy. But then,
Wow.
do I really
Like,
want to not do anything about it?
right.
Do I not want to take hold of my life and for once decide what I want to do? How am I going to take care of myself and always feel dependent? And no, I really want to, from now on, take care of my life, take care of my finances.
Yeah. And it took you that jolt to come here. Like,
Yeah.
let's bless that jolt. Because, yeah, you would have never, ever explored your own potential, like really the true self that you are.
Yeah. Never. There was no need.
Yeah. And that's the question, that we have no need as women to take charge of our finances, to take charge of our own selves, our own lives.
Yeah.
Like, such is our conditioning. You know, coming from a very conservative family, like you described yours, your parents, and then getting married and, you know, being okay with the entire setup of, you know, not working, having children and letting life go, and changing that course after 18 years of marriage at 43. Man, you know, I am getting present to what a big woman I'm speaking with. What a big woman. Like, really. I want you to get it, Ruchi, and I want each woman to get it. Man, it takes courage to break out of that mold, you know, that pretty woman's mold that we just live into, or that obedient woman's mold that we kind of accept ourselves as.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, to top it all, I still have him. I had a very hardworking husband and very responsible husband, you know, who took it upon himself that I have to take care of her. So
Yeah.
what better than that, you know, somebody you trust completely and he's taking care of. Why do you even bother about
Wow.
where life is going to take you?
And today, Ruchi, with you sharing your life out so openly and honestly, you know, we're all getting an opportunity to really examine where we are as a society and as a community.
Yeah.
You know, the men, I mean, I am not blaming men, and I'm nowhere a feminist, you know. I think poor men, they also just, you know, kind of take on so much when they really don't need to. But,
Yeah.
you know, they're trying to fit in, we're trying to fit in, everybody is just trying to fit in.
Yeah. And like you said, you know, thanks to the jolt, thanks to the situation that came, I would have never taken hold
Never taken
of the
charge.
situation. No.
Yeah. Yeah. And look at the difference that you're causing to your own children now, Ruchi.
Yeah.
Yeah. The mother that they saw, you know, and the mother that you are today are like
More
very
than my
different.
children, I think it's more for me. You know,
Yeah.
whenever my children will see that, they will see, I don't know when, but today, at present, when I see myself, you know, so, you know, a lot of women have invested already. Well, I decided to invest also, and I have created a worksheet where I have figured out a few investment funds. And, you know, I'm so happy that today, when I was given an option of this is what you can invest, I went and I compared it with other options. I could understand the terms, and I'm
Right.
just so excited. You know, I called the relationship manager, and she said, "No, I can't talk to you today. Let's talk day after." And I can't tell you how impatient and how excited I am to talk to her, because I know today what I'm going to talk. At least I can question her, why this, why not this, and
Right.
it is such a huge change, Priyanka. I mean, I'm feeling like a knowledgeable person today.
Right.
And I cannot thank you enough for doing what you did. Yeah, it was just amazing. Like, I'm feeling very proud of my own self today.
Wow. Wow. And are you sharing this with your parents? Because they would be amazed with what's happening with their daughter.
So when I told my father that I'm doing this course, he was very, very, very happy. He said, you know, I wish my son also does that. And that was like, okay, yay. And yeah, he's very happy. He, you know, he's changed 180 degrees. I mean, he's become so supportive. He encourages me to be on my own, do things that I want, which I had never imagined in my life he could do that for me.
Right. Right.
So, yeah, things have really turned around for me.
Yeah, you know what's occurring for me? One of my mentors, she says that when you change, the world around you changes. And
Yeah.
I think I think, Ruchi, it's just you're the center of your world, because look at the change your dad is bringing in then with you
Yeah.
changing.
Yeah.
It's it's like mind blowing, like really mind blowing. And for me, I'll tell you, it's one thing to become knowledgeable, right? It's another to take action. And the beauty is that you are in action. You're like,
Yeah.
yeah, you're like checking funds, you're talking with your family, you are like bringing about that change, whether at a technical level with your investments
Yeah.
or at a bigger society community level for our families. Like you are that, um, what do I call you? The light which is lighting the dark space of patriarchy. So
Yeah,
that's what.
there's no looking back now. There's no looking back. I'm also amazed at my efforts that I'm taking, talking to 10 different kinds of people, trying to understand what are their views on investments, what is a good investment. And it just surprises me to see myself understanding and realizing that, it's not so difficult. It is not. The fear is actually created by our own selves.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
once you take that first step, it's not fearful anymore.
yeah. We are actually, as human beings, the way we are trained, we're in the business of scaring our own selves.
Yeah,
And that's one of the biggest barriers. Like if we are scaring ourselves, and this is for everybody listening, if you're scaring your own self, know that you're not loving yourself. And if you're not loving yourself, then forget about anybody else loving you. Like really.
yeah. And there's a lot of help available. We don't have to do it alone. We don't have to feel we are alone. You take
Yeah.
that step and help will come. You
Yeah.
look out for it and it will come. I experienced that. When I looked out for help, when I asked for help, it did come. I didn't have
Yeah.
to do it all alone.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, Ruchi, this is the new India that you're building, a new age that you're building. Wow, congratulations, and congratulations to each one who is with Ruchi typing all that everybody is typing. Sheetal is saying, I'm shook by the honesty with which you are bringing your story, Ruchi. Thank you. This is a woman supporting women she does not even know through her story. And there are a lot of hearts for you. Ruchi, you must know who you are. Okay, let's see more comments. Everybody, if you want to send in your love for Ruchi, it is now your time. Okay? Jump in. There she is. Seema is saying, there she is, Ruchi. Yes, Seema. There she is. This is who she is. Wow. Nishu is saying, very empowering and honest conversation. Good luck. Shruti is saying, Ruchi, you are so positive. Wow. Yeah. And Ruchi, you know what? When such situations happen, the jolt comes of any form. Either you can become really messy and not forgiving and, on it and not letting go. But you have kind of moved places, like really moved places, which is so inspiring.
Thank you. It takes work, and I have done that work, and I'm really, really grateful for everything that has come into my life, has gone in from my life. Really.
Wow. Seema is saying fear is only in the mind, and once you take the first step, it is not there. So true. Got that, Seema? Some Ilak Winker. Okay, Ruchi from Nagaland. She's saying loads of love. Some Smita is saying proud of you, Ruchi. Yes, this is a very, very proud moment. Not just for Ruchi, but I think the entire community and all of us women. Yeah, all of us women. Okay, Ritz is saying, Priyanka, can you say that quote again? If you're scaring yourself. Yes, I'm going to say that again for you. If you're scaring yourself, know that you're not loving yourself. You're just in the business of scaring yourself and pulling yourself down. One of the affirmations that I used to use, and I still use it, is that I let go of all fears. I let go and I'm at peace. You can try it on too. It worked for me. Okay, love from Kerala. Christina is saying, my goodness, yeah. From Kerala to Pune to Kashmir, I think all of our community is sending you love from everywhere.
Thank you to all the women.
Arokia is saying, takes a lot of courage to do what you're doing. Lots of strength to you. Yes, Arokia. Yeah. Ruchi, I feel the same. You know, I'm just wondering, jolts are of many kinds. Some of our community members, you know, it took them whatever it took them. And I really, you know, kind of pray to the universe that may women move into taking charge of their lives and finances without jolts. Yeah, without suffering. Let this change come in easily for all of us women, because I think the world is now moving towards a very different level of consciousness. So yeah, anything you want to say before we close, Ruchi? Over to you. Ruchi, can you hear me? Are you with us?
Yeah, of course, I can hear you.
Anything you want to say before we close, please?
Me, I would just like to say, take that first step. There's always a first step. And believe me, you know, I have felt fear when it came to money, like nobody else. Money was very easy, but it was scary in terms of, you know, investing. How am I going to grow it and all of that? But the first step, it was difficult, but it is not impossible. So please take that first step and things will follow.
Yeah. Things will absolutely fall in place for any woman who brings in the courage to take that first step. Yeah. And I absolutely love how you flew the emotion in, how, you know, we are anxious when, you know, a jolt like that comes. We're anxious, we're scared. The key is, are you willing to, you know, kind of now move into a space of independence, or you want to continue being dependent? And there are downsides and upsides to each. Yeah. Got it. You know, I want to say this line, a couple of lines from what Ruchi wrote to me in the email. You know, I absolutely loved it. So Ruchi, I'm going to say it, okay?
Yeah.
Ruchi, you wrote, we are always taught to work hard to earn money. Nobody teaches women to work smart to earn money. Money is not always hard to get. Okay, quote unquote. This is what Ruchi said in the email, and I think this just captured my heart. I remember in one of our classes, Priyanka said, change your mindset about money and it will change your relationship with money. We attract what we are. Create an abundant mindset and watch the miracle happening. So thank you so much, Ruchi. Actually, let's watch the miracle happening. Loads of financial abundance your way, and to each and every woman who's watching the live or the video recording. Note that each one of you counts, and we are all together bringing a new world for our generations coming ahead. Loads of love, Ruchi. I want to see you in a couple of years yet again in Wake Up Women, saying how you progress further.
I look forward to that.
Thank you so much. Closing the live, and before I close, okay, we have more comments coming in. Seema is saying loads of love and power your way, Ruchi. Got it. Samprita is sending a lot of strength. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, lots of love coming in. Take charge, stay safe, and keep coming. Loads of love.
Thank you, everyone.